Type fifth questions. Type fifth questions. Question number 3. A shopkeeper sold an article %20 loss. Okay, a shopkeeper sold an article 20% loss. Had it been sold for 360 rupees more. Had it been sold for 360 rupees more, it would have gained 5%. Okay, question is, at what price the article was sold initially. A shopkeeper sold an article 20% loss. Had it been sold for 360 rupees more, it would have gained 5%. At what price the article was sold initially? Okay. Now the option is, there is no option. You start yourself. You work out yourself. $30 seconds for you. Only 30 seconds for you. The shopkeeper sold an, now analysis again. The shopkeeper sold an article 20% loss. Okay. Had it been sold 360 rupees more, the profit, it would have gained 5%. Okay. Question is, at what price the article was sold initially? Nice to start the question, solution. First method. First method means details methods or fundamental methods. Fundamental methods. Okay. Let CP was X rupees. So SP1 should be, how much rupees is sold? 20% loss. 20% loss means 80x by 100. 80x by 100. Okay. Again, had it been sold for 360 rupees more, What should be the selling price, second selling price? That means 80x by 100 plus 360 rupees. Okay. But the question is given, but according to questions, but according to questions, the selling price is 5% more. 5% more means पहला जो कॉस्ट प्राइस है इसका ऊपर 5% ज्यादा है. That means SP2 should be 105x by 100. 105x by 100. Okay. This is also second selling price. This is also second selling price. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So this is equal to this. So now, so we can find the value of x. So equation is 105x by 100 is equal to 80x by 100 plus 360. So 105x by 100 minus 80x by 100 is equal to 360. Okay. Now we take the LCM 100. 105x minus 8x. Is equal to 360. That is 25x by 100 is equal to 360, or x by 4 is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 into 4. That is equal to 1440. That is the cost price. But the question is, initially कितना रुपया में इसको भेजा था? What was the price of the article was sold initially? Initially कितना परसेंट में सेल किया था? 20% लॉस में. So what should be the SP1? SP1 would be 1400 into 20% loss. That means 80%. उनका 80%. Okay. 0 cancel. 144 into 8. That means 1152 rupees. Okay. SP1 should be 1152 rupees. Okay. Type 3 का type 5 का थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Okay. उनका रिवर्स क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करो. The shopkeeper sold an article 20% loss. Okay. Had it been sold for same value 360 rupees, suppose less. It would have lost 10% more. Question is, what was the cost price of the article? Okay. Same questions, but in different senses. Okay. The shopkeeper sold an article 20% loss. Had it been sold for 360 rupees less, it is less, it would have lost 10% more. Again, 10% more loss. So what was the cost price of the article? Okay, now start the solution. First method. Let's see P dx rupees. So what should be the cost price, selling price? Same 80x by 100. Okay. Now, had it been sold for 360 rupees less, now what should be the selling price? 80x by 100 minus 360 rupees. Okay, the selling price. So it would have lost 10% more. पहला कितना percent loss था? 20%. Now 10% loss means plus 10. That means 30%. 30% loss. So according to question, really according to question, what should be the selling price? %30 loss means that 70x by 100. Okay, this is the also selling price. So now the what should be the equation? This is selling price. This is SP2. This is also SP2. So this is equal to this. When you find the value of the x, you have to come to an equation. So 80x by 100 minus 360 100. So 80x by 100 minus 70x by 100 is equal to 360. So LCM, we take LCM 100, 80x minus 70x, that is 10x, is equal to 360, or x is equal to 360 into 10, that means 3,600. The cost price is, that is the cost price. Okay, you can understand. Very easy questions. Now, for both case, there is a shortcut method. For both cases, is shortcut methods. Look at the shortcut methods. Shortcut method. If you take the, here the first question, look at the first question. If you take the cost price be 100, the selling price be 80 rupees. Okay. In the second selling price, 360 rupees more, and the selling price should be 105. Here is 80, here is 105. The difference is 25 due to 360. Here is the second question. Suppose the cost price be 100, selling price be 80. Now 360 rupees less, and the selling price is 70. Okay. Now look at the shortcut questions. Cost price should be more or less. Or the difference between more or less rupees and more or less rupees divided by different in selling price into 100. Very shortcut question formula. Now apply the formula in the first questions. How much rupees more? 300. The first case. Look at the first case. First case. 360 rupees. The difference between selling price and both selling price. पहले कितना selling price था? 20% loss था, and again 5% more. So what is the difference? The difference is 105 minus 80 into 100. Okay. That means 360 by 2. No. Into 100. Okay. 1440. In the second case, look at the second case. Exactly. 360 rupees less. Difference between selling price. Okay. In the first case and second case, this is the more or less 360 rupees more divided by the difference between selling price into 100, that is cost price. Here is also 360 rupees less divided by difference between the selling price and 100, that is cost price. Okay, thank you. We meet in the level 3. Okay, thank you to everybody.